Welcome to the Complete PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to configure the Voxtelesys SIP trunk in Complete PBX. From the dashboard, click on PBX, then click on the External tab. After that, click on Trunks. In the Technology section, fill in the following information. Leave the Technology field on SIP. Enter Voxtelesys as the description of the trunk. In the Trunk CID field, type in your CNAM and caller ID. In the Device for Outgoing Calls Peer section, enter the following information. Enter your Voxtelesys username in the Outgoing Username field. In the Host field, enter the remote server address. In the Port field, enter 5060. In the Remote Username field, enter your authentication username for the remote server, which will be provided by Voxtelesys. In the Remote Secret field, enter the authentication password for the remote server, which will be provided by Voxtelesys. In the From Domain field, enter the domain provided by Voxtelesys. In the Insecure field, select Port, Invite from the drop-down menu. Turn on both the Allow Inbound Calls and Qualify settings. Scroll down to the Register String section. Set the Use Default field to Yes. This will set the whole string to be automatically generated. Click on the Advanced tab. In the Type field, select Peer. In the Parameter field, type in this. In the Value field, enter PAI. Enable these settings and click on Save. Then click on the reload icon. Congratulations! You've successfully set up the Voxtelesys SIP trunk in Complete PBX. Check back for more videos on Complete PBX as well as other helpful guides.